So how long does it take for a Prince Albert piercing to fully heal? So Prince Albert piercings in general take around 2 to 3 months to heal. So 2 to 3 months, you really want to kind of like build a force around it and not mess with it or touch it or play with it or spin it or rotate it. I know it's a Prince Albert piercing, so it's kind of hard to do, but do your best. Prince Albert piercings, what's awesome about them is they got a couple things that allow them to heal pretty quickly. One, it's a high blood flow area. So all genital piercings are high blood flow areas, which means you get a lot of nutrients and minerals passing through the area that your body can kind of pull from in order for it to heal a lot quicker. And then two, the piercing itself is really paper thin, which is awesome because it means there's a lot less to heal. And then last, every time you urinate, that urine flushes it out and kind of cleans it out. The cleaner your piercing is, the easier and faster it is to heal. So with that being said, Prince Albert piercing on average 2 to 3 months. So 2 to 3 months, kind of do your aftercare, your saltwater sprays and your saline soaks and all that fun stuff. No hydrogen peroxides, no alcohol, no Neosporin, no Bactine, none of that stuff. And just kind of build a force field around as best you can. Keep it clean in the shower, just kind of keep the area clean with soap and water and just give it time. And Prince Alberts actually heal really, really quickly.